If you're trying to make money online right now, it is easier than it ever was. And I'm going to explain how in this video. But if you just have the right strategies in place and you do what I say to do in this video, then you'll make so much money with your business. Now, a very important word to know is synthesis. So if you actually understand this in a business perspective, what it means is that you have information. So you have to learn a lot of information, and then you want to portray this online. Now that is how you're going to get rich. And I'll explain more in depth in this video. But basically, it's very important for you to understand what information synthesis is. So you just have an idea and you need to know everything about this topic. So for me, it's organic content. I know a lot about organic content and how to monetize organic content. At this point, okay, it could literally be anything. Now I'll show you examples. I'll show it on the screen right here. This is actually my business partner. His name is Hassan, and he's the owner of Create Alchemy. And he actually owns a business himself. And what he does is he posts videos just on YouTube. And right when he had 400 subscribers, I'm gonna say he made $23,000. Now, I don't know this specifically, but I'll show you the video that says how much he made right here. And he made this much money with just 400 subscribers, just by speaking to an audience about a topic that they were interested in, and by talking to them about a topic that relates to them. Right here is actually someone who teaches you how to surf. Now, I like to surf, so I actually stumbled across this account. And with their amount of followers, as you can see, it says right in their bio that they have 7,300 members. And that means they're teaching 7,300 people how to surf. And these are online classes completely. And the reason that they got these people is because of their Instagram. And I haven't looked into this business too much, but they might also have a YouTube. But let's just stick to their Instagram for now, because this is how I found them. Now, they have 7,300 people in their group. Now, imagine they were charging each one $50 a month. So that'd be a low ticket item. $50 a month is not a lot for a service at all. So I'm just saying, if it was $50 a month per client, then they would be making $365,000 every single month. Now, these numbers are just crazy. And to some of you, this might sound absolutely insane, but this is what I'm talking about. This is why it's so important to just be synthesizing this information. So if you're good at any skill, anything, whether it's SMMA, whether it's copywriting, it could be anything. It could even be something as simple as sewing. Now, I actually saw this person a while ago. I don't think I remember their YouTube right now, but there's this lady that teaches people how to sew on YouTube. That's all she does. And now she's living her best life in Dubai, just teaching people how to sew. It's just literally simple sewing, and she's teaching people how to do this. And now she lives in Dubai. So that's another example. Now I'll give you a few more examples just to prove my point even more. Let's talk about Hamza. Now, he teaches people, he has an Adonis school where he teaches people how to be Adonis, basically. And he's selling this for, I believe, $129 a month. And he has 1.8 thousand people in there. So that means he's making more than $200,000 every single month just with that school community. And this is basically automated for him too. Now, I haven't joined this or anything, but what I'm guessing is it might be a course where you can connect with other individuals that are like you. He might do group calling. I'm not entirely sure, so don't mark my words on that. But he's making over $200,000 every month just by that. The reason that I showed you Hassan at the beginning of this video is because all these other examples, they do have a higher following. But Hassan, he had less than 1,000 subscribers. Like I said, he had 400 subscribers when he was making around $23,000 with his YouTube channel. What I challenge you guys to do today is to start building a personal brand. Now, it's just better to get started right away, and don't even think about it, because if you think you're gonna start maybe next week, then next week, it becomes a year and you haven't even started a personal brand yet. It's important to just get it started, because then you'll have so much leverage already by posting so much content. So you don't want it to be simple though. A lot of people are just building a personal brand on Instagram, and what they're posting is just graphics that they can find on Canva. Now, don't get me wrong, I actually started out by doing this, but I learned from my mistakes quickly, and I actually started posting short form content. So that's shorts on YouTube, and then I did reels on Instagram. And now what I'm doing is long form content on YouTube as well. And I scaled my agency to almost 1,000 subscribers now. So that's actually really good. And I'm just building my personal brand because I realized how powerful this really is. So if you're good at any skill, Just start posting content. Even if you don't have anything to funnel them into yet, that's totally fine. Just give them free information. Just post content and you can see these results. You'll get these results. If you're consistent with it, if you have a good offer, if you're targeting your target audience, you will get these results. Of course, there are systems that you have to have in place, and it is important to know the right content to post. But even if you just have an iPhone, just a simple iPhone, just start posting and you'll learn as you go on. Now, if you do want to learn how to do this faster and you want to scale your social medias way faster, there's actually a link in the description below, because what I do here is I actually help young entrepreneurs scale their business from 10 to 100K per month. And I do this by teaching them exactly what content they should post for their own business. And I'm by their side the whole time. So there's no way that you can't scale to these numbers. It's just simply not possible. And then after we go over your business, and once you start seeing these numbers, we put you into a community where it's other people just like you, that there's some people that have scaled to such high numbers. And it's insane to learn from these people, because if I put you in a room with 5 other millionaires and you just listen to what they had to say, then you would pick up their mindsets. And in this community, you're gonna be able to talk to these people as well. So I'm super excited to share that with you guys. And there's, like I said, the links in the description below where you can book a call with me so that I can go over all of that.